Select either the upper or the lower jaw relevant for segmentation. Select an image where the tooth is clearly seen and place a marker. The marker should be located in the middle of the tooth, in a slice where the tooth is easily separated from its surrounding. For multiple teeth segmentation, you need to mark at least 8 teeth. Click Apply to execute the segmentation process and see the results preview. Click Set to execute and store segmentation results in the selected mask. To relocate a marker, click and drag it to a new location. To delete a marker, hover the cursor over the marker and press the Delete key. In case of suboptimal segmentation results received for a tooth, you may try to place a single tooth marker and specify its type. In case of suboptimal segmentation results received for a tooth with multiple roots, you may place several single markers and types on each of the roots.